Well, good morning, everybody. Well, we are checking today the verb to be negative form. Here we go. The affirmative structure is subject to be complement. The negative structure is subject to be not complement. Okay, for example, John is not a doctor. Okay, we can use is not or the contraction isn't. John isn't a doctor. In this video, we are using the contractions. Here we go. Ricky Martin isn't a teacher. They aren't doctors. Timon and Pumbaa aren't brothers. Michael Jordan isn't a soccer player. I am not a police officer. Or, with the contraction, I'm not a police officer. Buddy isn't a singer. It isn't a hot place. ¿Ok? Bien, pues si te gustó mi video, dame tu like, comenta, comparte y suscríbete a mi canal para que sigamos viendo contenidos de este tipo. Hasta la vista.